Good morning, good morning, good morning. Here for the journey. So I'm headed out to the salon. I'm excited. I am excited. Thank you, subscribers, for all of your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on and join the Gene G family. Click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. Oh, yeah, I'm prepared to get out here and get some work done today. And I will certainly share with you my day in my all in a day's work. I will also show you some of the Christmas sights around my town if I get a chance to do that. I need to calm down. That's what I need to do. I am not just excited, but I'm a little bit nervous because one of my subscribers reached out to me on YouTube, asked if I was accepting any new clients, and she will be coming into my salon today. And I'm just excited about that. Yes. And a bit nervous. And I can't explain that feeling. All I know is that it's there. So I'm going to do ponytail today because I realize that now, as long as I don't pull my hair back too tight, I can do this ponytail. And I'm using one of the ponytail holders that I purchased in my TJ Maxx haul. It's very comfortable, no issues, and I think it looks kind of cute with the earrings that I'm wearing. I don't know if I'm going to wear a necklace this morning. I am looking and we'll put on just this simple chain right here that I have tied with a little knot. And hopefully I can get that knot right into the middle. And this is what I will wear today. Nothing too much. Hopefully I can get to show you my outfit of the day later on in the video. Yeah, there it is. That's my... It doesn't show. So what I am going to do is tie it one more time. And maybe more than one more time. Because I want this to be seen. There we go. So I'm ready to head out. Just keep watching for more footage of my day. It is Vlogmas day 21. And what I am happy about is I have completed more Vlogmas days than I have remaining. I have somewhat enjoyed doing this video, but it did put some pressure on me. But I realize now I can handle the pressure. There's nothing that God and I cannot handle together. His word says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And he's given me the strength and the wherewithal to keep going. And I'm going to keep going, and I'm going to finish this Vlogmas. You have a good day. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, but God. God has been so good. He's been good. And if you think back on your life, yesterday and today going forward, you will notice how good God has been. And now, my 360. Have a great day and keep watching. Right, guys, I just felt like I was cheating you if I didn't stop and walk through this square or circle here in the middle of Orangeburg so you could see some of the lights. Now, they're not as pretty as they would normally be if it was darker. But if it was darker, then I would not be out here. But I just wanted you to see this. And can you imagine what it would look like during the night? It's a really beautiful scene, and I just couldn't pass it up. And I just love this building right here. Yeah, it's really pretty. And I'm gonna make my way back. Over there's the church with the wreath on the door. It's just a pretty area. It's a nice place to be. Because I promised I would show a little bit of the Christmas decorations in the area. And so I'm headed back to my car because it is cold out here. It's going to be a very cold Christmas, and that's okay. That's prettier than I can capture.